to use Writesonic.com. First of all, I'm on the main website. I can go to Home, History, AI Article, Writing Style, or Chat Sonic. Or I can choose some of the C cell tools which I want, but we will look at first on the chat. So on the main website, I can go on this chat. I can type, for example, advertising and go with advertising. On the left side, I can choose from different options which I want to do. On the right side, the Writesonic will create an answer for me. So I will go with the Facebook ads. I can choose from the suggestions. So I will go with a fitness app. Click on the next button, and for the unique feature, you can just type in, or I will go with suggestions once again. And with this one, click on the next, and right away I will choose a target audience, go with beginners, and call to action, for example, sign up for demo. So I will click on generate, and Writesonic will automatically generate a response for me with everything written down. This is for Facebook ads. So I will get my Facebook ad over here. If I want to change something, I will just highlight it like this. I can go with AI tools and ask something for continue with the writing or improve the writing at all, or just make it longer. So I will go with continue with the writing, and Chat Sonic will continue with the writing over here. And I can just replace the selection. Nice. So I will go back. If I wanna, for example, humanize it a little bit, I will just copy it, go to humanizer, and over here I will just ask him to humanize it. It will automatically, so you don't have to copy it at all. You click on this button, humanize, and it will give you rewritten Facebook ad, which you can just use for your Facebook ad. You see, this is really like AI, and this version is just humanized. You can also rewrite it. It will be rewritten with different text. You can add a link or upload the photo. You can choose from the cell, so you can just check the cell if the cell makes sense. I will go with this text. I'll choose if this text is alright or not, and give me the impression. So I will choose a country and content type. I will go with personalized workouts, and I will start with the analysis. And this search checker and optimizer creates a content cell score, which gives me an impression which I need to improve. So for example, it gives me different keywords I can use, or these which are bad. After that, I can just improve the cell with this function, and it will analyze the article once again and improve my cell. And it will rewrite it with all of the information in it to give me more and better keywords for my ad. So I have an improved text here, it's humanized, and it's better with a SEO score. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.